We're here at the CES in Las Vegas, where technology is changing advertising. We're doing a series of video interviews with VideoAmp, where we're talking to technologists and thought leaders about measurement, about attribution, and about data, and how they're revolutionizing advertising.
Well, advanced TV is really a combination of both data and technology that come together to enable new capabilities. In particular, the basic capabilities that enhance planning, targeting, and measurement and attribution. What I would say is that traditional linear television is now embracing some of the best qualities of digital. The ability to use data, the ability to target, the ability to measure, and to do so in a level of scale that TV brings to the table. This has been happening now for the last couple of years, and it's growing at a remarkable rate, actually, and it makes sense because there's very much of a win-win. The advertisers get to define their audiences in a manner that's much more precise, more akin to what they really care about in terms of their target audiences, rather than the traditional age, gender-based proxies. And then the sell side gets to take advantage of their inventory and make a much broader use of their inventory, so it increases the value of the overall inventory. And because this is a win for both sides, it has moved very rapidly. It is possible. It's not easy, but it is possible. We are starting to see both traditional linear television and digital video data sets combined to enable cross-platform attribution. We also see a lot more matching to first and third-party data sets, both on the targeting side as well as on the measurement and attribution side. So it is happening. It is a bit cumbersome still, and takes time and costs money, but it's accelerating both in adoption and the speed of execution. So we've been using set-top box data for many years in an anonymized fashion, of course. And Smart TV ACR data is a complement to the set-top box data. It has some advantages and some disadvantages, but it's largely a complement in the sense that we can now better understand OTT viewing. We can also better understand different types of households that have embraced smart TV applications. The linear TV still, on the set-top box side, tends to be more comprehensive because we have multiple set-top boxes in the home as opposed to the enabled smart TVs, which may be just one or two in the home. Well, I think there's a lot of there are a number of initiatives that are aiming at cross-platform measurement, right? And C-Flight has led the way in some respects, and now we see Nielsen even embracing some common elements with C-Flight. And that's an important move for the industry because ultimately we want to understand deduplicated audience reach across television and premium digital video, and so C-Flight brings that together. And it's early stages, but that's the general direction that we should expect to see measurement go. Well, we're here at CES again, and our first mission is to get together with our friends and clients in the industry. We really believe in TV as a platform, and it's important for the broader TV ecosystem to essentially hold together, advance the state of the industry so that we can bring more value to advertisers and to our own businesses, and in doing so also be much more competitive relative to the digital Goliaths.